In this podcast episode, Dr. Bulsiewicz, a gastroenterologist and author, delves into the intricate connection between gut health and mental health. He highlights the astonishing fact that 95% of serotonin, a neurotransmitter crucial for mood regulation, is produced in the gut rather than the brain. This revelation led him to make significant changes in his own health, which ultimately transformed his well-being. Dr. Bulsiewicz emphasizes the importance of the microbiome, which consists of 38 trillion microbes in the body, outnumbering human cells. These microbes play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune system regulation, metabolism, and even hormone production. The gut, where these microbes are most concentrated, acts as an external-facing surface, interacting with the outside world. A key point Dr. Bulsiewicz makes is the importance of plant diversity in the diet for a healthy microbiome. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, seeds, nuts, and legumes can positively impact gut health. The American Gut Project found that the diversity of plants in one's diet is the number one factor in predicting a healthy gut. He recommends aiming for at least 30 different plant ingredients per week to support a diverse microbiome. Ultra-processed foods, which make up a significant portion of the American diet, can lead to dysbiosis, an imbalance in the microbiome characterized by inflammation. This inflammation can contribute to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Consuming a diet rich in diverse plants can help reduce inflammation and support overall mental well-being. Dr. Bulsiewicz also discusses the impact of gut health on weight management. He explains that fiber deficiency is a prevalent issue in the American diet, with 95% of Americans lacking sufficient fiber intake. Fiber plays a crucial role in satiety and blood sugar control, influencing weight management. Ultra-processed foods can lead to weight gain and metabolic issues, further emphasizing the importance of a plant-rich diet for overall health. While medications like GLP-1 agonists can aid in weight loss and blood sugar control, Dr. Bulsiewicz highlights the long-term effects and costs associated with these drugs. He advocates for sustainable dietary changes that prioritize plant diversity and whole foods over relying on medications for weight management. Changing taste preferences and cravings can take around 4 weeks of consistent dietary changes. By gradually introducing more plant-based, nutrient-dense foods, individuals can reshape their microbiome and reduce inflammation. Consistency and sustainability are key in creating lasting changes in gut health and overall well-being. Dr. Bulsiewicz highlights the impact of food on the gut microbiome, stating that a diverse diet rich in plant-based foods can positively influence gut health. He mentions a study called the SMILES trial, which showed that a plant-predominant Mediterranean diet was as effective as medication in treating major depression. This underscores the importance of nutrition in mental health. Exercise is another key factor in improving mood and mental health. Dr. Bulsiewicz explains that different types of exercise can have varying effects on the microbiome. For example, marathon runners were found to have higher levels of a bacteria called villanella, which helps break down lactic acid and improve endurance. Similarly, rugby players showed a shift towards more anti-inflammatory bacteria in their microbiome, which produced beneficial short-chain fatty acids. The gut microbiome's influence on mood is further highlighted through studies where lipopolysaccharide, a component of bacteria, was injected into individuals, leading to increased inflammation, decreased mood, and social withdrawal. This demonstrates how gut health can impact mental well-being. Dr. Bulsiewicz shares his personal journey of struggling with depression despite being a successful medical professional. He describes how changing his diet and incorporating more plant-based foods transformed his health and well-being. This experience led him to integrate nutritional approaches into his medical practice, witnessing significant improvements in patients with various digestive and mental health conditions. The vagus nerve, a cranial nerve that connects the brain to the gut, plays a crucial role in gut-brain communication. Dr. Bulsiewicz explains that stimulating the vagus nerve through techniques like deep breathing can have positive effects on mental health. He recommends a breathing exercise involving inhaling for 4 seconds and exhaling for 6 seconds to activate the vagus nerve and improve overall well-being. One key aspect of gut health is bowel movements. Dr. Bulsiewicz explains that healthy bowel movements should be satisfying, complete, and effortless. He recommends aiming for at least one bowel movement a day, but emphasizes that the quality of the bowel movement is more important than the frequency. By incorporating more fiber into the diet, individuals can improve their bowel motility and experience better digestion. When it comes to digestion, the speed at which food moves through the gut is crucial. Dr. Bulsiewicz explains that individuals can assess their gut transit time by consuming blue muffins and tracking how long it takes for the blue dye to appear in their stool. A healthy gut transit time is typically between 24 to 48 hours, indicating proper digestion and absorption of nutrients. Leaky gut syndrome is another topic discussed by Dr. Bulsiewicz. This condition occurs when the intestinal barrier becomes compromised, allowing harmful substances to leak into the bloodstream. Symptoms of leaky gut may include fatigue, as the immune system becomes overactive in response to the influx of toxins. By addressing gut health through dietary changes and lifestyle modifications, individuals can support their gut barrier function and reduce inflammation. The gut-brain connection is a key focus of the discussion, with Dr. Bulsiewicz highlighting the role of neurotransmitters like serotonin in regulating mood and gut function. Imbalances in serotonin production can contribute to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, which is characterized by changes in bowel motility, abdominal pain, and mood disorders. By understanding the link between gut health and mental health, individuals can take a holistic approach to managing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and improving their overall well-being. The discussion delves into the physiological responses to stress, such as the activation of the sympathetic nervous system, which can lead to gut issues like cramping, abdominal pain, and changes in the gut microbiome. Dr. Bulsiewicz shares examples of how stress can manifest in physical symptoms, like the need to use the restroom before a stressful event. He highlights the role of emotional trauma in gut health, mentioning that unresolved trauma can lead to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and Crohn's disease. He emphasizes the importance of addressing emotional wounds and seeking help to heal past traumas, as they can have a significant impact on physical health. Dr. Bulsiewicz talks about his experience working with patients who have struggled with chronic gut issues despite following dietary and lifestyle recommendations. He mentions the importance of a holistic approach to healing, which includes addressing emotional and psychological wounds in addition to physical symptoms. The conversation shifts to the importance of personalized nutrition and the role of the microbiome in determining individual dietary needs. Dr. Bulsiewicz discusses a study conducted by Zoe, a nutritional sciences company, which showed that personalized dietary plans based on individual factors like microbiome composition can lead to significant improvements in health outcomes compared to standard dietary guidelines. Dr. Bulsiewicz encourages listeners to be optimistic about making small changes in their diet and lifestyle, as these choices can have a profound impact on their health over time. He emphasizes the importance of increasing fiber intake, adding a variety of plants to the diet, investing in human connections, and prioritizing time with family as key lessons for living a fulfilling life.